modern motorcycle is a machine that converts combustion into rotation. Unplug your chick talk for 7 minutes, and you'll understand how every part works. The gas tank is kind of like a tank for gas. There's no combustion without a combustible.
On the bottom of our tank is a petcock, which is a cocky name for a tap. Off, on.
Fuel flows through this hose into the carburetor. Duh frickin' duh.
Carbs just force gas through jets because a spritz mixes better with air.
How much air you add is kind of like how long a teenager spends in the bathroom. It's entirely dependent on what you do with your wrist.
Twist the throttle open and it pulls a cable, which opens the carb to more airflow. More air, more boom, more fast.
That air comes from here, the air box. It's like a box for air.
By forcing our bike to breathe through the air box, we force it to breathe through the air filter. Otherwise, you get COVID-19 in your engine.
After combustion, we exhale through the exhaust.